What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play I Can't Sleep by POORSTACY and iann Dior. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard drop D tuning, and what that means is you're going to be in standard tuning and then you're going to drop your low E string down to a D note. And it's only using two different chords. They just repeat throughout the entire song. They pretty much just repeat over and over, but there is a few little places in the song that I'll leave timestamps for right here. These are just places where either the chords are played a little bit short before they switch, or the chord continues to play a little bit longer. You'll just have to listen to it. You can hear the bass notes, but I'll leave the timestamps right here so you can see, you can use those to tell you where the chords switch up a little bit, but for the most part, they just play one right after another over and over again. The first chord is going to be, and this open A, it's going to be 0, 0, 2, 2, 0, 0. Middle finger on the second fret of your D string, ring finger on the second fret of your G string. And what you're going to do here is you're going to use your thumb to mute the low D for now, because this is your root note here. That's your open A, your first chord. Then for your next chord, all you're going to do is take that thumb off, and now that becomes a D. And every time you switch between these two, for your D, you can leave that open, and then when you switch back to your A, just mute that D. Now your strumming pattern for the song is going to be down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Throughout the chords, it looks like this. Down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick two winners. One is going to receive a guitar accessories kit that has a capo, a guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need in there as a beginner. And the second winner is going to win a free t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. And then once the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'm going to be picking one of you lucky winners to receive a free brand new acoustic guitar. Now, all you have to do to enter the giveaways is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment down below for a song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Now, turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm going to be live streaming the monthly giveaways, and then once I do the guitar giveaway, I'm going to live stream that as well, and to get notified, you gotta have those notifications turned on. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at billyshultzmusic. The more that I see you guys, the more it's going to increase your chances of winning one of these prizes. Thank you guys so much. I can't say it enough. I appreciate all the support, and I appreciate all the love, and I can't wait to give away these prizes. So keep liking, subscribe to the channel, turn on those notifications, keep putting those comments down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.